Guess what I have today? The JoyToy Salamanders figure. Sorry about that, there's a cat in my background. Not now. Not now. I'll get to you later. Sorry about that. Let me unbox this baby. Alright, so this is the Warhammer 40k Salamanders Sergeant Tsek'Gan. Tsek'Gan. I'm gonna go with that. So let me unbox him, but before I do that, you can see all the things that he has. Nice little backpack with a torch on it. And here's some poses they did with him. Again, and all of this. So let me unbox him. Alright. Has an interesting smell. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, look at that. Interesting. The ball joints on this guy is really thick. Yeah. Look at this guy. I don't know, my camera's probably not the cleanest, but I think you can kind of like get all the details. Come on, focus on this guy. Got a nice trigger figure. I think this is like the bolter gun. Yeah, I'm sorry about the sounds in the background. There's like traffic going on. I think I'm like nearby a school. Alright, and this is the chain sword. I'm sorry, this thing. Let me try to clean up my camera. Okay, that's better. Okay, so. Come on. Come on, just focus on that detail. Okay, I can't really get this thing. Let's see. Okay, now it wants to work. But yeah, look at that. This is I don't know all the gun names. I think this is like just a normal plasma pistol. And then he has like a little pistol he can attach to his belt. And then he has this backpack with a torch on it. Let's put that on him. Okay, there's like little 2 portholes in the back. There we go. There you go. Yeah, as you can see, there's like a lot of flame details on the back. And, you know. Also, I noticed that he has this like, some teeth on his shoulder pad. You can see that. Yeah, that's because I believe that on their planet, the planet that Vulcan and all of his sons come from, there are just giant like salamander-like monsters that live there, and some of them hunt them as like a part of their rituals into getting into And here are all the alternate hands. You can give him like a open palm, a fist. Okay, this one I think is for what the. Okay. There you go. I think this one's for holding the chainsword. I think those are some alternate fists. Yeah, this was an alternate fist, so I'm not going to show you that one. And also there's just an alternate trigger handle, just in case you want him to have and be holding a gun in another hand. I got him posed up with his gun. Yeah, I decided to use a fist one, so it like looks like he's clenching onto the thing, although he's not. Yeah, these things are not easy to put in the hands. Not that I'm complaining. Just means that, you know, they're pretty secure. So there you go. Let's see if I can get him on an even better pose. Overall, also they come with a translucent thing for you to use for him. Although he stands pretty good on his own, which I'm actually surprised by. Unfortunately, he does not come with a flamethrower, which I know that Salamanders really like. Yeah. There you go. But yeah, that's all there is to say. A pretty good model. It's at a 1/18th scale. I don't know what that means. Officially licensed by Warhammer. Alright, I think that's all I have to do for today. I'll see you around for the next one. However long that'll take, to be honest with you. I only got this because I was gifted some money from a friend of mine. So I had like extra to spend. So I don't know how long it'll be until I get another one. Because these things are pretty, high. But then again, that's the same thing for Warhammer. And I think these are actually relatively cheaper than the actual models, which I know sounds crazy. Because, like, they have all these, like, they, like, have, like, all this posability and stuff, but, But yeah, they're actually pretty cheap comparison. But yeah, I'll check you out in the next one. Peace.